Elevation and love. Let's get into the heart of what my self-expression portrait workshop truly embodies. This is a time lapse of a portrait, but it's more than just painting. It's my story. A story of exploring our creativity and the profound connection between our inner worlds and the art we create. With every brushstroke, we're not just adding color, we're translating the emotions of our experiences. The canvas becomes a medium for channeling emotions that may have been tucked away. But through colors, we reveal layers of ourselves, our memories, our emotions, and our unique stories. This workshop isn't just about perfect techniques or intentional outcomes. It's about vulnerability and authenticity. It's about embracing the imperfections that make us who we are and turning it into art. It's about finding your voice, your artistic voice, and giving it the space to speak boldly. So as you watch this time lapse, know that it's more than just a visual spectacle. It's an invitation, a reminder that you too can experience this journey of self-expression. You can create art that mirrors your essence, that reflects your story, and captures the beauty of your individuality. If you're intrigued, if you're drawn to the idea of translating your thoughts and emotions onto canvas, then I encourage you to join me. Visit ninethnode.art to discover the workshops that are awaiting you. Let's paint not just with colors, but with the authenticity that makes your story truly unique. Elevation and love.